Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing channel. This video is about how to draw realistic eye line using Photoshop. The video is going to be very interesting. So let's begin. First open Photoshop and import the photo. Now maximize Photoshop to full screen mode. Create a new layer by clicking on this new layer icon. Press Ctrl and plus button for zooming in, use Ctrl and minus for zooming out. Now select pen tool from the toolbar. Now mark the eye using this tool. Press and hold Alt button and then click here to remove this handle. Now press Ctrl and Enter button for make selection. Go to Edit and then Stroke. Set stroke width 50 pixel, click OK button. I have a little mistake here, the stroke color is white. Go to Edit again and then Stroke. Set stroke color black and click OK button. Now the stroke is black, but I want to make the stroke more thick. For this change stroke size and click OK button. Press Ctrl and D button to remove selection. Now press Ctrl and T to transform. Right click here and click on Wrap. Now you can adjust the eye line as your need. Click on this icon to apply the transform. Select the brush tool and select black color as foreground color. Now brush on this corner. After that go to filter and then blur, then Gaussian blur. Add some blur. Don't apply blur too much. I think it's enough, click OK button. If you want to change the eye line style, don't worry, you can do it now. Press Ctrl and T to transform. Right click on this area and click on Wrap. Now change the eye line design like this. Click on this icon to apply the transform. Now go to Filter, then Noise, and then add noise. Give some noise to make the photo look more realistic. I think 30% noise is enough. Click OK button. And it's done. Here it's before and after. Isn't it so beautiful? I hope you understand this tutorial. Consider to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. I am Rayhan. Signing out.